My name is Charlie Randazzo, Professor of Electrical Technology at Johnson County Community College, and this is Low Voltage Wiring, ELTE 175. Students begin to discover the various branches that are a part of the electrical industry, starting with low voltage wiring. Here, they learn the installation methods that are common for the low voltage industry. Students gain hands-on experience with the techniques to terminate multi-conductor cables, such as Cat5e and RG6. They are introduced to common low voltage systems. These include telephone and networking, doorbell, and home audio. They are also exposed to life safety systems, such as fire detection and alert, security alarms, and video monitoring systems. Class activities are reinforced with best safety practices and adherence to the National Electrical Code. Students that are successful in this course will have a solid foundation to begin a career in the low voltage industry.